edition of my video. Today, I will talk about what's the difference between the aircraft engine and automobile engine. That is what I'm going to discuss in this video. You remember that initially, both the aircraft and the automobile engine are internal combustion engine, though modern aircraft engine or airplane engine has moved from that internal combustion engine. Rather, they are using what we call jet engine. Now, in this analysis, we are talking about aircraft or helicopter that are still using internal combustion engine with automobile. When we talk about automobile, we're talking about cars, vehicle, lorry, truck, and etc. Now, let's compare the two engines and let's see the differences between the two engines. One, there are three major differences between these three engines. The first one is the weight of the engine. The manufacturer of aircraft engine knew very well that they need to reduce the weight of the aircraft engine. So they do everything possible to reduce the weight of the engine. In fact, there are some crankshafts that was drilled. They do everything possible to reduce the weight of them since the aircraft will fly. So they must reduce the weight of the engine. So that is one of the major difference between these two engines. Both the crankshaft, both the piston, and other major component weight were reduced in order for the weight of the engine to be able to reduce so that the aircraft can fly. The second difference is the type of fuel that they use. The type of fuel used in aircraft is different from the type of fuel that is using in automobile engines. Aircraft usually use AV gas, which is more like a kerosene, and it's a bit higher. It has higher octane when you compare it to normal gasoline that automobile engine are using. So there is differences in the type of fuel they use. So this one using AV gas, or we can also call it jet fuel. Yes, I remember jet fuel. So they are using jet fuel or AV gas. Why automobile engine are using either diesel or gasoline, which is petrol. So there are differences in the type of fuel they are using. And the third thing that I would like to mention is the cooling system. Majorly, automobile are air-cooled engine. They are air-cooled engine. Why? That is, aircraft engine are air-cooled engine, please. Aircraft engine are air-cooled engine. They are air-cooled majorly. Why? When it comes to automobile majorly are water-cooled engine. Except the fuel engine like Volkswagen, that is air-cooled. But majorly automobile are water-cooled engine. But when you're talking about aircraft engine, be it helicopter, be it aeroplane, anything that flies, majorly they are air-cooled. Even the jet engine now is air-cooled. They're not water-cooled. So there's a major three difference between the aircraft